It is a very obvious fact that most people prefer to go for cheapest car insurance, but the problem is that the majority of them do not know how to do it in the proper way. One thing you should always remember is that car insurance and a normal personal insurance policy are not the same thing, because it is easier to find a cheap personal insurance policy because most of the insurance companies offer some good deals, but when it comes to car insurance, things become completely different. It is really important to make a proper plan so that you can follow it in order to get a good car insurance deal. Generally, most people commit a very common mistake that all of a sudden they came to realize that their car insurance is due for renewal and they make contact with their insurance company to renew it, or they just call their insurance company to change the type of policy because of their new car. But this is what you should never do, or else you will end up paying more money. When trying for a cheap car premium, put yourself in the shoes of the insurer. Consider how big a risk you as the driver and your car actually are to them. Are you a good driver? Do you have a blemish-free or almost perfect driving record? Is your car secured with a high-technology alarm system? Is it garaged at night? These are all things that the insurer will take into account and will eventually go towards lowering your car insurance premium. Another strategy is to opt for a reduced mileage policy where you commit to driving less miles each year. If you use your car to drive to the center of the city each day to attend work, then consider alternative means of transport, as more accidents occur in city centers than almost anywhere else. The age and value of your car are also important factors for insurance companies calculating your next auto insurance premium. It is also more expensive to insure cars that have higher replacement part values such as Mercedes and BMW, so if you are contemplating buying one of these makes, then brace yourself for higher insurance costs. At the end of the day, most auto insurance policies are comparable with each other, so you don't want to fall for any sales patter from insurance companies telling you that their policy is better than the competition's. With this in mind, it is a really good idea to shop around for your next policy. With car insurance costing hundreds of dollars a year, a couple of hours spent on the telephone with competing companies could save you hundreds and is time well spent. Quite a lot of people turn to the internet these days for their car insurance quotations. It has got a lot easier nowadays to compare quotes from some of the different insurers online, and it is highly recommended that you do this to find a really good auto insurance deal. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.